If your car is dead, call Fred. Bring it back to life with Fred's Mobile Service. For a great auto repair company to service or fix your car, you've come to the right place. Fred's Mobile Service has been serving the Central Florida community with their personal and friendly approach since 2006. Fred's Mobile Service offers professional, honest, and dependable auto repair with integrity, and they will never sell you something you don't need. With an experienced team of technicians, Fred's Mobile Service will make sure your job gets done professionally and correctly without cutting corners. So let Fred's Mobile Service help you with your air conditioning, diagnostics, brakes, check engine light, or engine repair today. Fred's Mobile Service is conveniently located on 1792, 1 mile north of 434 in Longwood, serving the greater Seminole County area. With over 25 years experience and hundreds of loyal customers, Fred's Mobile Service would like to earn your business. For more information about getting your car serviced, go to fredsmobileservice.net.